Hey everybody, Tim Coates here with Adonis Paint Protection. Wanted to take a quick second today and highlight this beautiful 720S that we just completed a full body paint protection film wrap on. Now we did remove some film on this. It did have some bubbling and some peeling edges before on the front of the vehicle, so we did remove that and reinstall film to the entire vehicle. We did the whole front here custom. As you can see, we removed the emblems, so the emblems don't have any cutouts around them. That way you can wrap all the edges. The fenders here are also completely wrapped. It's also wrapped completely around the vents, the headlights, around the hood and the bumper. Fenders are completely wrapped once again on this side, so it's really hard to see that there's any edge of film, even if you look up close. And obviously from far back, you can see the shine and the vibrant color coming through that film, which is just absolutely stunning. This volcano yellow, it looks so much better in person. I wish you guys were here to see this because the gloss and the shine is just superb. So we did also paint the emblems here on the side. Those were originally silver. We painted those gloss black, and those did have some cutouts around them beforehand. So we did remove those and completely reinstall the film so there were no cutouts around the emblems to have exposed edges. The doors were also completely wrapped here in one seamless piece. Now the pre-cut, you'd have three pieces on the inside and the outside. You'd have seams that join each other, especially on the inside gaps there, and a seam around the mirrors. So these doors are completely covered in one piece of paint protection film. Not easy to do, but it does look a million times better than the pre-cut. And of course, the protection's there. So not having the seams, not having that edges showing in the film makes a big difference. The full rear quarter panels also are covered here, but I want to take you and look at how awesome this volcano yellow looks. Carbon fiber is also wrapped so that those don't get chipped up and scratched. The wing is wrapped. The rear diffuser here is completely wrapped, and we did some personal touches of adding the yellow vinyl on the rear diffuser and the front diffuser to match the paint to stylize the car a little bit. So you can see edges here also wrapped. No exposed paint. It's all the way to the very edge of the film. I'm sorry, to the paint on the sides of the bumper and the fenders here. It's very difficult to see that there's an edge. It's even wrapped inside the side markers, wrapped all the way to the edge of the bumper here. The wing is completely wrapped as well, and the car basically looks like there's nothing on there. It looks like a really clean, detailed, shiny car, and that's basically what happened. As we did the paint protection film, we did a ceramic coating on top of it, and because of our custom install here, it's hard to tell there's any protection, especially on the mirrors here. We did the mirrors completely custom too, so there's no seams or lines showing, and once again, the front diffuser here also has our nice vinyl touch on it. So thanks for watching, guys. Really happy how this car turned out, and stay tuned for the next video. Have a good one.